everyone, this is the second devlog for my current project I'm working on, and it's inspired by the game Bomberman. For this devlog I decided to make main menu for the game, so I can release it on itch.io for playtesting, so you can tell me how is game doing. Aside from making main menu for the game, I made this thumbnail for my YouTube channel, check it out. So, let's start. First thing I made is a sprite for main menu, and I made it very simple, like very simple. But I will change it in the future. Then I made sprites for how many players are playing the game, 2, 3 or 4. Many for controls, to play with 2 keyboards or keyboard and gamepad. I did not implement gamepad yet. And 2 options to choose full screen yes or no. So for the last thing, I made a little box. Those boxes can be destroyed. When destroyed they will drop either a power up for fire of the bomb or more bombs to place. Simple. I made a lot of progress. Next things I need to do is skins and maps. I think that won't be too hard to implement. And this is what I made until now. Enjoy. And don't forget to subscribe, like, comment any feedback you have, and if you want to try out this game, come to the description below and download it on itch.io page. Thank you and bye.